Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this expression 9 and 1 over 3 divided by 3 and 1 over 3. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. First of all, let's convert these two mixed numbers to improper fractions. So 9 times 3 equals 27, and 27 plus 1 over 3 divided by 3 times 3 gives us 9, and 9 plus 1 over 3. Okay, 27 plus 1 equals 28 over 3 divided by 9 plus 1 equals 10. So 10 over 3. And now, according to the KCF rule, KCF, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So we can write 28 over 3, then times 3 over 10. These 3 and these 3 can cancel each other out. So we have just 28 over 10. And this is equal to 2.8. So our final answer to this problem is just 2.8.